Hello class 6, welcome to the maths class again. So what we are going to do today? We are going to do some problem solves which are related to exercise 1.4. Okay. Now I will be doing some of the template sums, some of the sums which are related to other sums of this exercise, and you have to follow this and then complete other sums and submit me via email. And while doing the email, don't forget to mention my name in the subject area, otherwise I won't be getting your assignments. Okay, so let's get started. In exercise 1.4, I am going to do the number 1 sum for you. Okay, so I am reading it out loud. In a particular year, a company manufactured 85,70,435 bicycles, and next year it manufactured 87,56,430 bicycles. So in which year more bicycles were manufactured? Okay, now for that what we have to do, I have always said that always write down whatever is given to you. So we are given with the number of bicycles manufactured in first year. So how much it is? 85,70,435 bicycles. Then in the next year, number of bicycles, again we'll be writing it down, manufactured in second year equal to 87,56,430 bicycles. Now see, here there are two operations will be there. Okay, because they have asked in which year more bicycles were manufactured. So while finding out in which year more bicycles have been manufactured, you have to tally, you have to compare the number of bicycles of both the years, right? So while I have already taught you how to compare two big numbers, how to do that. So while doing that, these are the unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh positions. Got it? Now see, in the 10 lakh position of both it, 8 is there. But so we cannot find out from there who is bigger or smaller. But then in the second position we can determine, because the determining factor is out there. Because in the lakh position, the second year number of bicycles, it is 7, and in the first year it is with 5. So 85 lakh it was, and here in the second year it is 87 lakh. So we can write, therefore in the second year more bicycles were manufactured by. Now after writing by, we have to find how many more bicycles have been manufactured. For that, what we have to do, we have to subtract the lesser number of bicycles from the more number of bicycles that have been manufactured. So we have to subtract 87,56,430 minus 85,70,435. That gives how much? That gives a big number. You can put it in the column and then find out the answers. No problem with that. That will give an answer of 185,995. That means 1,85,995 bicycles. So this is the answer. So you have to write the answers separately. I haven't written it. So this is how we find out how many more bicycles have been manufactured in which year. Okay. Now coming back to the question number 4. It says what? A machine manufactured 23,875 screws per day. Now note this word per day. I have always said per day means 1 day. In 1 day, how many screws are manufactured? 23,875. Okay. So they have asked that how many screws did it produce in the year of 2016. And when the machine manufactures screw every day of this year. Okay. So first we have to understand, we have to take in account that 2016 which kind of year it is. Okay. So 2016, if we divide any year by 4, we can understand whether that year is leap year or not. So in leap year what happens? 1 day extra is added in the month of February, right? So we have to find out 2016. Though in the book it is written that 2016 is a leap year. Yet if it is not written, how can we find it out? We can always find it out by dividing it by a 4. Okay. So if we divide 2016 by 4, it comes 504. So hence it's a 2016. Therefore 2016 was a leap year. Now, what is the speciality about leap year? I already said 1 day extra is added to the whole number of days of a year in the month of February. So, what happens? Normally, how many days are there in a year? 1 year contain, in general, 365 days, right? But a leap year contain, 365 days plus 1. So it becomes 366 days in a year. Okay. Now we will start with our sum. So here it is said that in one day, number of screws are manufactured equal to 23,875 screws. I write it down. Okay. So therefore in 366 days, as it is said that the machine didn't stop working for 1 day in that year, how many screws will be produced? Number of screws will be produced equal to 23,875 as multiplied with 366 days. Okay. So you can do it in the column manner also. So you will get an answer of 87,38,250 screws. Okay. So this is the answer, but you have to write the answer separately. Well, now the question number 5 says, a merchant had rupees 78,592 with him. He placed an order for purchase 54 bicycles at rupees 970 each. How much money he will remain with him after purchase? Now, what is said that how much money the merchant had before the purchase, okay? And what is the cost of the bicycle? Each bicycle, that is 970 rupees. And how many bicycles he bought? 54 bicycles. So we will write down what is given. Okay. So amount of money merchant had before purchase. Okay. that is rupees 78,592. Fine. Now the cost of one bicycle equal to rupees 970. One bicycle, why? Because at rupees 970 each. Each means one bicycle costs 970. Therefore, how many bicycles he bought? 54 bicycles. Therefore, the cost of 54 bicycles will be rupees 970 into multiplied with 54 to give a number of 52,380. Okay. Now after the purchase he have to give this much amount. Okay. Now how much money he will remain after purchase. Therefore, to find out amount of money merchant will have after the purchase equal to, we have to subtract 52,380 from what? How much money he had before. So the bigger number will be sitting before and then the smaller number, and it will give an answer of 26,212. Okay, so this much of money he will be left with after the purchase. Coming back to the last sum of today, that is number 10. So what is said, a vessel has 4 liter 500 milliliter of orange juice. In how many glasses, each of capacity 25 ml capacity, can it be filled? So what has been asked? How many glasses? So you have to find the number of glasses, and what is said, the quantity of the capacity of the vessel, and then the capacity of each glass. Okay, so we will start writing. So the capacity of the vessel equal to 4 liter 500 milliliter. Now before moving to the other part, we will convert this. I hope you have known how to convert the liter into milliliter, right? So 1 liter, if 1 liter equals to how many milliliters? 1000, right? So we can write it like ml. Okay, so 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. So 4 liter will be 4 into 1000, that is 4000 ml, right? Now the 500 ml that is remaining, that will be added up with it. So how much it will be? The amount, the capacity of the vessel in ml basically is 4500 milliliter. Okay. Now coming back to the sum, where it says the capacity of, so 25 liter ml is the capacity of equal to 1 glass, right? I have kept the glass in my right hand position because how many glass have been asked. Okay, so whatever have been asked to you, the unknown number, that we always keep in our right hand side, and the given number stays in the left hand side. So 25 liter, that is given, 25 liter is the capacity of 1 glass. So 4500 ml will be the capacity of equal to, so what we have to do, we have to divide divided by 25. Okay, so you are going to do the division in a proper manner. I am writing it directly. It will give an answer of 180 classes. Okay, and here is the answer. So with that, we end this session of the class. And the workout sum, what we have done in the board, it has been, the workout sum has been attached with this video in the description box. So you can see that, and taking the help of that, you can do other sums and complete the exercise 1.4 and give it to me in the mail. So see you in the next session. Thank you.